Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Arnand's YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to speak fluent English. I'm gonna tell you some important things which you can implement in your daily life. First thing, practice to think in English. As a rule of thumb, the most important key to English fluency is the ability to think in English. So you need to practice to think in English as native speakers do. Here are some useful tips to help you improve this typical skill. 1. Stop the habit of translating between languages if you have. 2. Use an English to English dictionary to look up words. 3. Try to think in English anywhere, anytime. A student shared with us that she usually walks in the park and trying to describe people around her in English by using as much adjectives as she can. You can do the same, or create your own method to practice thinking English whenever you have free time to think. 4. Get a friend or partner to practice. It is always easier to improve your English with a friend or a partner, especially if he or she is a native speaker. There are many ways to get to know such individuals online. However, you should be careful when talking or making friends with others on the internet. It is suggested that you should join a language exchange website to find native language exchange partners. It's a win-win situation. 5. Talk to yourself in English. Whenever you're at home, you can practice your English with your favorite person, yourself. The following tips would help you to talk to yourself in English. Read out loud from your favorite books. Speak out loud with your own thoughts in English on certain topics, for example sports, family. Use a mirror to practice as you can see your partner. Use a recording device, for example your phone, to record what you read and speak. You will be able to hear yourself speaking English and then finding out the pros and cons of your tone, pronunciation and even accent. The most significant benefit of this method is that you will be more comfortable in speaking English and be aware of your own strengths as well as weaknesses in speaking. Then you can find the right tips to improve the specific weak points in your spoken English. 6. Reading English books can open your mind to brilliant new worlds and take you to a new level of English language learning. The key to success is choosing the right book for you. If you do not know where to begin, you should find something that interests you. Newspapers are also worth reading. Not only you can improve your English, but you will learn about what's going on, which can be handy when talking with native speakers. 7. Writing every day in English. Writing is a great way of using new vocabulary and getting your head around grammar. Try and write something every day using new words and grammar that you've learned. Even if it's only a few sentences, it's very important to get into the habit of doing this. 8. Learn phrases and English idioms. As a rule of thumb, you should learn word phrases, not just words in English. For example, you can say, "How do you feel today?" The same way with your native language, but an English native speaker might say, "How are you doing?" or "What's up?" instead. So one of the key to become more fluent in spoken English is to master English phrases. You should learn English phrases, not individual words. 9. Prepare for specific situations and don't be afraid of making mistakes. People learn English for many specific reasons. One learns English so he or she can get a job in an English-speaking company. In that case, they should focus on practicing English for an interview. The others might just want to learn English so they can make more friends in America. Then they would need a different kind of English. So the point here is to focus on your purpose of learning English. You will find the suitable preparation methods for your spoken English. 10. Be confident. You should also remember that making mistakes when learning English is good. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning English, and they are only bad if you allow them to be, and if you don't learn by them. If you really want to be able to speak English, you really need to practice speaking English anywhere, anytime. So, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Practice makes perfect. These are the 10 ways you can use to make your English more fluent. Hope you like it. If you like it, press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, do it right now. Thank you, dear subscribers. Keep learning, keep supporting.